Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we're going to discuss what is the difference of Indian and international system of numeration. So how to say numbers in Indian and international system. International means it's majorly with the Europe and America. So here I took one number, big number. So that is a larger number. That number we're going to discuss that number how to use commas and how to identify that number with some standard values. So first of all, Indian system, and next one is the international system. So first, Indian system, how to use commas, how to write and how to divide that number using of commas. So what is the first one? Let's going to write 2 5 9 5 7 9 1 2 4 5. So this is our number. This is our given number. So what is the major trick to divide in how to use commas in Indian system? So first of all, we have to start from the right side of the given number. So don't forget, we will start from the right side of the given number. So from the right side, you have to take first comma after 3 digits. Don't forget, after 3 digits from the right side. So what is that 3 digits means? 1, 2, 3. So we have to leave 5, 4, 2. 5, 4, 2 you have to leave. Then put one comma. First comma like that. Then after these 3 digits, you have to go for every successive 2 digits. So you have to leave every 2 digit like that. So after that 1 and 9 are the 2 digits, give one comma after that. Then 7 and 5 give one comma after that, and 5 9 give one comma after that. So now we will discuss how to say that number, what is the place values for that, ones, tens, hundreds like that. So this is our first one. So what is the thing here in Indian system of writing any number using commas? So what is the first condition? So here first you have to leave 3 digits from the right side of the number. Then after every successive 2 digits you have to use comma. So after whatever the number, then we have to give 2 like that. Then in international system, so what is the case in international system? Let's write 2 5 9 5 7 9 1 2 4 5. So this is our number. So in international system, what is the how to use comma? So for every 3 digits from the right side, every 3 digits you have to leave and you have to forward from the right to the left. So first 3 digits, so 2 4 5, so use comma. Then after that next 3 digits, so what is that? 197, then 595, then use comma. So this is the way to use commas. So in international system, for every 3 digits, 3 digits like that, you have to leave from the right side and you have to continue. So every 3 digits, don't forget, unlike in Indian international system of numeration, in international system only one condition, that is every 3 digits. In Indian system, first 3 digits, after that 2 digits. Then what is the place values for that? So let's write, this is ones place. For 5, this is ones place. So 5 there in ones place. Then 4 there in tens place. Then 2 will be in hundreds place. So here 2, here hundreds. So what you can say here is 245. 40. Why we are using 40 there? 4 is multiplied with the 10. That is the case. So 45. 5 is the ones, for that only 1. 5. 40 and 5. We are adding 5 to the 40. That means I will going to explain in expanded form also. Then we are 45. This is hundreds place. That is 200 we are using. Then this is 1 will be there in thousands place. What is that? So I will use TH, thousands place. Next one, 9 will be there in 10 thousands. So 10 thousands. Then 7 will be there in lakh. So 10,000, 7 lakh 90. Then 5 will be there in 10 lakhs. Then 9 will be there in crores. So 10 lakhs, after that crores. Then 5 will be there in 10 crores. Then 2 will be there in. So if it's 100 crores, what is the Indian system of numeration? In Arabic system, what is the, then you can say 1 Arab. 1 Arab will be equal to, what is that? 100 crores. 100 crores. So what you can say here is 100 crores. 100 crores, or you can say it is in the Arabs, 2 Arab 59. So I will explain that. But what is the place values you have to take? So 100 crores, 10 crores, crore, 10 lakh, lakh, 10 thousands, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Or you can come from the right side also. But here, unlike in Indian system, international system, we will use only hundreds, tens and ones. After that, thousands, millions. After that, billions, trillions, like that we will get it. So here, what is this? 2, 5, 9, 5, 7, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5. So in the international system, first set of numbers, that is 245, will be as it is hundreds, tens and ones. Unlike in this. So for this set, we can use thousands. For one set, unlike in Indian system, for every digit, you will have a place value with a different name. But in international system, it is not like that. So for every set of numbers, we will have ones, tens, hundreds. That is here ones, tens, hundreds. This is completely thousands place. Then this set of places will be equal to, that is millions place, M. So millions place, or you can write it in this like this also. Millions place with the using of ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Next set of numbers will be there in billion place. Billion place, that is ones place. You can have one more numbers also, two more numbers also in a billions place. So what is that here? Ones, tens, hundreds. This is place, 3 digits will have thousands place, ones, hundred, tens, hundreds. Then 595 is a set of millions place, that is ones, tens, hundreds, and 2 will be billions place. I will explain how to write these numbers in the Indian system and international system. So what is the way to say here? You can say here 259 crores, put it commas also, you can take it 259 crores 57 lakhs 91,245. Once again, I will explain. In Indian system, 259 crores 57 lakhs 91,245. Or you can say 2 Arabs 59 crores, 2 Arabs 59 crores 57 lakhs 91,245. You can say like that also. Here in international system, same number, how we will explain. So in international system, we will say 2 billions 595 millions 791,245. So this is somewhat different. Unlike in Indian system, for every place we will have a different name there. But here a set of 3 digits, will have the same name, but unique differentiation with the hundreds, tens and ones. So 2 billions 595 millions 791,245. So this is the way of expression. This is the way to explain that in Indian and international. So you can write it 259 crores 57 lakhs So for 57 and 259 also you have to write it in a words only. Don't use like this. So 57 write it in a words format, not in a number format. So 57 lakhs 91,245. This is in Indian system. Then international system. So 2 billions 500 and so 595 millions, what you can say, 791,245. So this is the way in international system. So what is the way? 2,595,791,245. This is the way of explaining the international system. Then we will come to the next. Billions to crores, crores to millions, and billions to lakhs, and all the conversions from Indian to international system. So 1 million, you have to know that is 1 million will be equal to 10 lakhs. 1 million will be equal to 10 lakhs. That is the first we have to remember. Then 1 billion will be equal to, what is that? 100 crores. 100 crores. So 1 billion will be equal to 100 crores, and 1 million will be equal to 10 lakhs. Then what is that? So here 1 crore will be equal to how many lakhs? That is 100 lakhs. Correct? 100 lakhs. 100 you can write it in the format of 10 into 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs means 10 into 1 million. That is 10 millions. 10 millions. So this is the way to conversions. So 1 crore will be equal to 10 millions. 1 million will be equal to 10 lakhs. 1 billion will be equal to 100 crores. So 1 billion will be equal to 100 crores. Then 1 billion will be equal to how many lakhs? 1000 lakhs. So like that we have to convert, and we have to what is the 1 trillion? So here if you observe, it is a multiple of 3 square. That is 3 multiple with the zeros. So what is the 1 trillion value in crores? Let's going to comment it below. If you like the video, please like it. Try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.